Hey boo, what's up? What's up? My name is Jeannette, also known as Ms.FitVegan. This is a friendly reminder that no one on earth is judging you as much as you are judging you. Okay, so I'm sitting in my office. Yes, this is what my office looks like. And thank you very much to everyone this year who sent me something. Oh my God, I got so many amazing watermelon things this year. Look at this. Come on. Ugh, things are falling. Come on now. Come on now. I also got a towel yesterday. So thank you so much to the person who sent me a towel yesterday. That's my sister. Okay. Wait. Someone's also sent me this. Y'all gonna make me lose my rind. Come on. Come on now. And thank you for my watermelon bowls and so many amazing things. But listen. Okay, so I'm just here to remind you really quickly that no one is judging you as much as you are judging you, boo. Okay, so this year, if you want to eat raw, if you want to start a YouTube, if you want to start a podcast, if you want to do anything different with your life, no one is actually judging you as much as you are. And you know what the truth is? The truth is that the things you think other people are thinking, those are actually the things that you're thinking, boo. So stop being so goddamn mean to yourself. Stop squandering your one and only opportunity. Stop ruining your potential. It's you, boo. It's not them. It's you. I love you, and I'm eating breakfast. I just got back from HIIT class, and I am having, I think this is about 6 or 7 bananas, daily green boost, and I put in some vanilla bean. Fresh vanilla bean. Okay, so that is my breakfast, and I want to say thank you so much for being with me during 2023. Ooh, that rhymed. And let's all get more in 2024. Okay, I love you, boo. I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye, boo.